In this video, we will draw a Rook chess piece freehand with colored pencils. We will begin the outline of the rook with cream color. The cream color is light and we can use it as a guide to draw over later with darker colors. We will begin the darker outline of the rook with black cherry color. The rook is a noticeable chess piece because it has a shape like a tower of a castle. At the top of the rook there is usually a wall or even a battlement represented by gaps at the top. We started to use a dark umber color to lightly shade the inside of the rook. We're adding shading and shadows to help define the areas that are dark or in shadow, which in turn helps to define the shape of the object as perceived by the viewer. Keeping with the freehand theme, the shadows or value are personal aesthetic choices rather than using a real chess piece set up with lighting for reference. After sharpening the pencil, we continue to darken the outline with black cherry color. As seen in other videos, using a piece of scrap paper may help to keep the drawing clean from your hand. This further reinforces the rook looking like a castle. As a side note, castle in chess is not the rook. Instead, castle refers to a movement with both the rook and the king chess pieces. I then continued to darken the shadows and add more value. To finish the drawing, I just kept darkening and defining the edges with a sharp colored pencil. Like some of the other drawings, the shadow in the middle split the object in half. Maybe by using a softer shadow, it could have helped with the illusion that the shape is a little bit rounder. The cream, dark umber, and black cherry colors created a somewhat monochromatic combination for this freehand rook chess piece. Looking back, I'm okay with how this rook turned out. Even though I'm good with how this turned out, I'm really glad that I was able to share this with you.